Hello there. In this video, I will teach you how to make subcategory dropdown. Subcategory block, it just show if we hover the category that has a arrow icon. First of all, we have to make a list of our main category. Then we have to make array filter like this. Then get our main category. We will show the category that has parent value is 0. Why is 0? Because if the parent value 0, it means that is the main category. Okay, then we're doing for loop for each in this line as variable cat. Then we will show our main category. There it is, this one. Okay, then we will make this code to show our subcategory. As always, we make array filters to get our subcategories, but in these parameters we put the value of our main category ID. Then we get the subcategory. Then we make a condition in here. We check if the subcategory length is greater than 0, we will show the arrow icon. If it's not, it won't show the icon. Then we check the condition in here. If the subcategory length is greater than 0, we show the subcategory block. Then in here we get the link. Okay, there it is. Don't forget to make the UL tag to cover our main category and our subcategory. Okay, there it is. Let's check our plugin. And if the category that has no product, it won't show the arrow. Okay, if we click in here, it will go to the outlet page. How if we click in here in makanan and minuman? It will show all of these subcategories product. How if we just want this product, makanan instant? We can just click this. There you go. It just show the makanan instant. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.